How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we will be doing a speed test comparison between these two powerful devices. I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is a flagship from Samsung, and then I have also got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is the latest and greatest from Apple. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has the A16 Bionic chip and it is running on the latest version, that is the iOS 16.0.3. While the Galaxy S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and it is already running on the latest One UI 5.0 based on Android 13. Guys, it's gonna be a very interesting comparison and we will find out whether the Galaxy S22 Ultra beats the iPhone 14 Pro Max. With that being said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Before we start with the speed test, a quick word from today's video sponsor, iCarefone from Tenorshare. It's an amazing software that lets you to easily transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android, or just between two phones within the same platform. Basically, it transfers everything including your chat history, photos, videos, documents and more. All you need to do is simply install this software from the link that I have given in the description below. Once done, just open and select WhatsApp. Now you get this screen where you need to connect both your source and destination device. Then you need to click on transfer and select continue. Here you have to create a backup of your WhatsApp data and then it gets transferred to the targeted phone. Guys, it is extremely easy to use. You just need to follow the instructions that is on your screen and within few minutes you will be able to transfer all your WhatsApp data even without resetting your iPhone. Definitely check this one out. You will find a direct link in the description below. Let's start off with booting up the devices. As you can see, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is way ahead than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now before we start with the actual speed test, let me confirm both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and you can see there is no app running in the background. Well, I have divided the speed test in 4 different rounds. First, we will do the apps opening test, then we will see the RAM management. After that, we will move on to the video rendering test, followed by the Geekbench comparison. While opening applications and heavy games, I don't see any major difference, and I'm really impressed with the performance of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I think it performed way better than what I was expecting from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. But when it comes to video rendering, definitely iPhone did a great job, and the Geekbench scores are much higher when compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Overall, I'm glad to see how the S22 Ultra performed in the speed test, and since these are flagship devices, I think they handled everything quite well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Do let me know in the comment section which device do you think performed better and faster. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.